So just going into some bonus questions, right?
Yeah,
And
shoot.
this is like my signature bonus question. I love asking it because no matter who I ask this question to, the answers are always going to be uniquely different, and the reason behind it's going to be like different as well. So if you could spend 24 hours in one day with anybody, dead or alive, who would it be and why?
Wow. Oh man, there's so many. Who would it be and why? I know I'm gonna get this 100% wrong when I get off this podcast. I'm gonna say I should have said X. Oh man, a person. I gotta give you a person. Man, who would it be with? I don't know why his name come into my head, but I'm probably gonna be with P. Diddy, man. And I'm gonna tell you why real quick. Is because that dude, I was a heavy hip hop, as a youngster, and I just see how he continuously reinvent himself and continuously go after goals and be a savage about it, and I don't know him personally, but I admire that 100%, about the man where he really had no talent. Like he wasn't an artist, you know what I mean? He didn't have he didn't know how to make beats. He didn't, his talent was to be a businessman, and I admire that a lot. And I think that in 24 hours, I will learn something. I mean, so much. So that's off the top of the head. I'm gonna go with P. Diddy.
Yeah, I mean, it's not. I mean, when you're talking about the hip hop game, I mean, there's only like maybe 4 guys you could really look at, right? And P. Diddy's definitely one of them. Dre is another one. Jay-Z is another one, and then Kanye is number 4, right? Because all of them are like close to that billionaire mark. 2 have crossed over, and 2 are really close.